What's going on, guys, and welcome to a build breakdown. We got Justin's 4Runner here. He just came in to Yoda Expedition all the way from Virginia. We're up in Pennsylvania, and he had us do about $8,000 worth of parts on his 4Runner. So we installed a C4 front and rear bumper, some lighting, and a winch. But he has a bunch of other things already done to the 4Runner, so we're gonna take a look at everything that he's got going on and show you guys. If you guys wanna check out the video of us installing all of the parts on Justin's 4Runner, I'll put the link down in the description. You can check it out. So first of all, Justin's got a lot of stuff done to this 4Runner, but personally, and I'm sure he already knows it, needs some wheels and tires on this thing. But he did say that he has wheels and tires to put on it. I think he's got some Method race wheels. But once that's on, it's definitely gonna change the entire look of the 4Runner. He's already got some BP51s on there, which is like one of the best suspensions you can get out there on the market. So he's ready to go on the suspension category. Also on the rear, he's got a Dr. KDSS track bar kit and the track bar, which we just installed. Moving on, let's take a look at what he's got for lighting. He is pretty well set when it comes to the lighting category. Before he came in for some work, he already had some Morimoto headlights installed, some pod lights from Dial Dynamics. Also, he's got a 42-inch light bar up there from Dial Dynamics. And then he's got some little pods on the back, which is really nice. But then we installed some more Dial Dynamics fog lights up here. We also got a 30-inch Dial Dynamics light bar in the front bumper. And then let's take a look at the back. He had the hitch light already. We went ahead and installed the S2s from Baja Designs. And then we have these wired in, so when he puts the 4Runner in reverse, everything back here lights up and he's got plenty of light. Back up front with the C4 front bumper, we have a 10,000-pound super winch in there. That should be plenty of power to get him or somebody else out of a sticky situation. So yeah, we just installed this Overland C4 bumper, and then we also have the little guard down here for the washer fluid tank. And then up on the roof, he's got a Sherpa roof rack. This is the Crestone, same exact one that we have on our personal 4Runner, and we absolutely love working with Sherpa and the products that they make. Everything's super easy to install, and they have a ton of different options that you can put on it, just like these rear window panels that he has. And then, you know, you can go ahead and mount whatever you want on the side of those. He's got a 2-gallon gas can on this side, and then on the other side, he has a 2-gallon water can. And then up on the roof rack, he's also got some traction boards up there for Max Tracks, and he also has a Rome case. Not really quite sure what size it is. We have a 95 liter on ours. It's, I think, a little bit smaller than that. And he also has an antenna back there for a ham radio, which we'll take a look at on the inside. Moving to the interior, he's got an S-Pod switch panel here to operate all of the lighting that he has. He's got Teton shifters, and then you can see here we have the radio hooked up in the glove box. So I don't know, whatever you want to use that for. So he's pretty well set when it comes to just going on a camping trip or off-roading. He's got a sleeping bag back here, he's got a pillow, he's got fire extinguisher. Obviously, I'm not going to be going through all of his stuff, but from a quick look, he's got the necessities. And he's also got plenty of monsters if you need one. He's got some on the front, he's got some in the back. He's set. We'll finish this off in the back. So he's got a rack in here from Cali Raised, and he's got it fitted with a bunch of necessities for hitting the trail. And I like how it's pretty up high and out of the way. You can definitely still fit plenty of stuff back here. And then he's also got the canvas back here and a nice plaid. I actually really like the way it looks. Gives it a just different look than what you would typically see. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this build breakdown. Let us know down in the comments what you think about Justin's 4Runner, and if you want anything for your 4Runner, you can head over to yodaexpedition.com, pick some stuff up. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.